Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser and I want to show you how to remove the trunk mat. It's going to be very simple and you can do it too. If you need any parts, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. So now to do the mat, you don't have to have any of this apart. Just so you know, this is just a part for one of the other videos that we're doing. So just go step by step. Removing the mat's very easy. Okay, so one of the first things we need to do here, so we're going to remove this, and this, okay? Phillips head. All 5 screws. Use a screwdriver, use an electric driver, whatever you've got. You just need to remove the screws. Skipped one. That was good. Cool. 5 screws. We'll grab this. You can use your trim tool or whatever you might have access to. Just get under there, try to lift it up. There we are. So underneath it, you have these little clips. They just they separate. When you push it down, they're gonna squeeze in, and they're gonna hold into these holes. Okay? So right under here, I'm just gonna lift this tab. We'll get this out of the way. 10 millimeter. That bolt out of there. Set it aside. Let's take this. Set that aside. So we're gonna continue taking these out. If yours has a little black cover, you just pop that off of there first. Use your 10 millimeter. Take out the bolts. Okay, hooks attached to that one. There's our 2 bolts. Pop this up. There we are. Let's get this out of here. All right. Over here, pop our little cap. Cool. All right, grab that, climb out of here, and we'll take out the mat. A couple little push clips, just get under there. That's what it looks like. Just got the little tabby things there. Same thing over here. Okay, 2 of those. We'll set those aside. Grab our mat. Slide it right on out of here. All right, it's time to get the mat in. To do that, I'm gonna go all the way up against the back seats. Lift up in the center. Try to roll the side in and under, just like that. Do the same for this side. Just try to roll the side underneath there. Underneath this one. Very nice. Just slide it up so it matches up with our holes here. Gotta get it under this. There we are. Looks good. All right, let's get it mounted in. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna get this mounted back in. We've got our little push clip there. That goes right here. We're gonna have a bolt that goes in over here and one over there. These little things right here. Just gonna put it right in between there. It's kind of like a gasket. Keeps vibration away or something like that, probably. I'm no engineer. Start it. Okay. The center of bonk. Very nice. Okay, we'll grab our hooks on the rearward part of the trunk. And we're here. Let's see. Definitely doesn't go this way, right? Goes this way. That's the way the hole lines up. Socket off of there. There we are. Let's move ahead to the next step. So we've got our little covers. Those just go right over the bolts that we took off. One was over here, one was over there somewhere. I'm just going to put them both here because they're pretty much right in the field of view for if I ever open my trunk. It's going to make it look nicer. These little things press right into our holes here. Okay. Just going to grab some little push pins. Those are going to go in first. Put both these down here. Those look good. We've got our little push pins. It's going to go right in the hole there. This one. There we are. We've got our rearward trim piece. We've got these little nubs right here. Okay, those go inside these holes. Once you put them in, we put the screws through. It opens these up and it locks it in. Just gonna line everything up here. It's my favorite part. Start all these screws in. 5 Phillips head screws. Now that they're all started, we can go ahead and snug them up. I'll grab a Phillips head. That's pretty much it. If you want to just give them a teeny bit after that, that's up to you. It's looking pretty good. I'm gonna grab my trim tool again. Go right along the rubber. Make sure it's not pressed underneath there. That looks really good. It's gonna make a good seal, keep the moisture out of here. You don't want moisture getting underneath your rug.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.